Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you step by step through the process of updating your profile picture on the Ubisoft Connect platform. First, go ahead and launch the Ubisoft Connect application on your PC and wait for the main interface to load up completely. Once you are in, move your mouse cursor over to the very top right corner of the window and click directly on your current profile avatar icon. A small drop-down menu will instantly slide open, where you simply need to click on your username to access your account profile page. From here, hover your mouse right over your large avatar image in the center and click on the small Edit Pencil icon that appears. This action will immediately bring up a brand new window showcasing a massive library of official Ubisoft game characters and custom avatars. So scroll through the collection, select your favorite design, and click Save to apply your fresh new look instantly. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.